The Nook. Our signature KJE. This tiny house is 20 long and 10 wide with a bump out off the rear to extend the bedroom. Simple, practical, and perfect. You'll see how exterior materials such as steel, concrete, and glass can be used to create a contemporary aesthetic that's both stylish and functional. As we explore the room, you'll see how the partition creates a private and cozy space that's perfect for relaxation, work, or play. The partition itself is a stunning piece of design, featuring modern geometric shapes and a sleek finish that complements the overall aesthetic of the room. We'll also show you how the LED lighting is integrated into the lining of the partition, providing a soft and warm glow that's perfect for setting the mood. Whether you're looking for a space to unwind after a long day or a room to get some work done, this room is the perfect example of how design and functionality can come together to create a truly unique and inviting space. We'll then take you up to the loft space above the bathroom, where you'll see how the storage area is accessed via a ladder and features ample room for organizing your belongings. Tiny kitchen is equipped with all the essentials, including a full-size refrigerator, a stove, and plenty of storage space for your kitchen utensils and cookware. You'll also see how the kitchen's clever layout maximizes counter space and makes food preparation a breeze. Stylish and functional bathroom that features a large shower, wash basin, tumble dryer, and separate laundry area. From the sleek and modern finishes to the smart storage solutions, every aspect of this bathroom has been carefully designed to create a space that's both beautiful and practical. Large shower, which features a spacious glass enclosure and modern fixtures. The shower is the perfect place to unwind after a long day and features plenty of space for all your shower essentials. Wash basin area, where you'll see a sleek and stylish sink with ample counter space for getting ready in the morning. The bathroom also features smart storage solutions, including built-in shelves and cabinets for storing towels and toiletries.